Hi everybody, today is an unboxing video. I'm gonna unbox this box that I have right here. It's just a square cube. So I'll use a scissor, cut it up. Oh, there you go. Cut the box. Oh, you want to see what I have here today? Oh, I ordered something on Amazon or Google, and they said that if you sign up for the music app, you will get a free speaker. This is the mini Google Home. It says it's small, mighty, and it's a Google Assistant. You ask a question, and then it will help you. It will help you play whatever you want. Okay, so let's go look at it. It's this color. It's called Coral. It's the only one they had left. You would only get this if you signed up for. I believe it was. What was it? What did I sign up for? What did I sign up for? I don't remember. Spotify, I think it was Spotify. Yeah, Spotify. If you sign up with Spotify, then you get this. Okay, my mom's getting mad because I put the plastic somewhere, so I need to put it somewhere else, or else she's gonna yell at me. Okay, so I'm trying to open it now. I took out the plastic. Okay, in the bottom it says here it's Coral. You gotta pull up a strap. So you see the strap here, you pull it off. Didn't do it correctly. Pull off the strap. Pulling off the strap. There you go. Pulled off the strap. Next, I take this one off. Oh, and there you go. You see, it looks like a mochi. Pull it off. Wow, that's the speaker. Wow. Oh. There's a mic to it too. There's a plug for the USB. See, that's how the box is like. Let's take out everything on it. Take out even more. Let's see what else is in here. Ooh, let's get started. There's a blue package right here. Take it out. Look at it. And then there's a wire for, apparently this is for the charger. Ooh, look, you see it just came straight out like that from this plug. And is there anything else in this box? I guess that's it. Maybe there's more. Oh, there, I pulled it out, the compartment. This is a hidden compartment. Oh, there's nothing in. That's it. That's the remaining stuff that you could find inside this whole box. So this again costs $1. Regular price I think it's like $50. Regular $50 I think online, but you can get it for free if you sign up for the Spotify membership. Let's go look at this. Okay, pull it out. It says let's get started. It just says plug it in, connect it to your Google Home Mini. So you gotta charge it first apparently. Step 2 is get the app. Mommy, can you give me your phone so we could download it and test it? Get to know the Google Mini. Be safe, warranty. Mommy, can you give me your phone so we could try? So my mom's gonna get her phone. You could turn off the switch. There's a switch bottom. It's a microphone. And the other one's volume down on the right side of this speaker. How you turn it on? The long press is play. Tap right, living room. Or you could just say, play The Crown on Netflix on my TV. Pause the TV. Let's play a game. Dim the lights and play some music. Find my phone. So that's how you could do it. You could set bedroom. Wake me up to music at 7 a.m. Play relaxing sounds. Good morning. Play. Wow. Turn on bedroom lights. What's the weather this weekend? So that's what you could say to it. Alright, so I'm going to test it out. Maybe it's already battery powered, I don't know. So let's go and see if it works. Let's see here. Okay, Google, how's the weather tomorrow?
Tomorrow in San Francisco, it'll be rainy with a high of 58 and a low of 53.
Okay, Google, do I need to bring my umbrella tomorrow?
Yes, it'll rain in San Francisco tomorrow from 11 a.m. to 4 a.m.
Okay, Google, play non-boring songs.
That song's only available for Google Play Music subscribers. But try this Google Play Music being boring station.
Oh my gosh, someone's shooting at me. Leave me alone.